Meet Stephanie. Stephanie works for a manufacturer that's scaling rapidly. It's Friday afternoon, and she's just realised someone in her team has not updated the production plan properly. And now, she doesn't have enough stock to fulfill a big order for a major new client. She's about to cancel her weekend and hit the phones. It might be too late for Stephanie, but it needn't have been this way. In just a few short minutes, I'm going to show you how Stephanie could have avoided this problem by getting rid of spreadsheets, replacing legacy applications and manual systems with new cloud-based systems and new approaches that improve visibility and reduce the chance of mistakes, freeing up time for more important things. Let me guess, you think you've heard it all before, but what I'm about to show you can revolutionize your manufacturing and inventory management processes. I will show you how you can take advantage of modern cloud-based inventory management and MRP systems that are easy to use, provide you with best practice approaches, and seamlessly run your end-to-end business processes. We will show you how this can work within your business, even if you are change resistant and already have other legacy systems in place. This will save you lots of time and money, creating a massive return on investment for your business. So, let me ask you this. Are you sick and tired of your spreadsheets, manual processes, and legacy systems causing you lots of extra work that you just know deep down you shouldn't need to do? Are you sick and tired of the effort required to manually create purchase orders, production plans, and invoices? Are you fed up with juggling file shares, cloud storage systems, emails, and spreadsheets? Is supplier management, coordinating delivery schedules, tracking inventory, and ensuring supplier quality like lying on a bed of nails? Are your teams operating in silos, or is one person responsible for holding everything together? Do you worry about how you'd cope if key people leave? And as your business grows, are you struggling to cope with increasing data volumes and complexity? If this sounds like you, then you're in luck. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal how you can start the process of implementing cloud systems to replace those spreadsheets, paperwork, and a huge amount of manual effort. Sounds good? Excellent. Now, before I reveal this, let me first say we know this is not for everybody. And while we are looking to work with lots of new clients, we can only work with growing organizations that are seriously ready to invest in scaling their business, for reasons you'll understand in just a moment. But first, let me show you what I'm talking about. Integrated cloud systems that support your inventory management, MRP, and finance processes. Now let me introduce you to Cohesis and why you should listen to us at all. My name is Simon Cohen and I am the founder of Cohesis. Cohesis helps small and medium-sized organizations scale by optimizing their use of technology in a cost-effective way. We do this in three main ways. 1, through our IT consulting services. 2, through helping manufacturers implement MRP and inventory management software. And 3, by helping organizations do more with the Microsoft 365 platform. We provide decades worth of tech expertise to help leaders of growing businesses like you make the right technology decisions that drive long-term growth, providing a massive return on investment. I am passionate in bringing my 25 years experience working in and for internationally recognized organizations to help leadership teams avoid the technology blind spots that can see years of hard work disappear faster than you can say clickbait. We are trusted nationally and internationally. Having worked with countless small and medium-sized organizations, we've seen the over-reliance on outdated systems, spreadsheets, and manual processes is palpable. This has led to significant media coverage and an excellent track record of successful delivery. Spreadsheets have their place, but they are not business management tools. And if you are relying on legacy systems, then your competitors are leaving you behind. Now, remember Stephanie? In my 25 plus years of experience working in and for global organizations, tech startups, digital agencies, local governments, and professional services organizations, I've seen Stephanie's face many times on people whose souls have been destroyed from using outdated or siloed systems that just don't integrate, requiring staff to waste time rekeying data such as stock, production schedules across multiple systems, having to delve into email trails to find important information, having to analyze spreadsheets and pivot tables until they can't see straight, and having to work late just to catch up. But don't worry, help is at hand. We specialize in helping businesses get the most out of leading cloud applications and configuring them into seamless end-to-end ecosystems. Our implementation process has been successfully proven over many years in all industry settings and across all types and sizes of clients. And our own project management methodology, initially developed to run multi-million-dollar projects, scales to the needs of your business. If required, our independent and agnostic software selection process saves you time and helps you determine the right software stack for your business. Our consultants will develop your end-to-end business process flows, and we cleanse and migrate your data, saving you a massive amount of time and hard work. Our migration templates and approach are battle-hardened and robust. We also create custom acceptance test scripts and provide them to you as a basis for your own testing. Our internal QA approach dovetails seamlessly with our project management and implementation philosophy. What I have run through is our done-for-you service, but we also have other options for clients who already have some knowledge and capacity to get involved. Our essential and enhanced packages provide coaching and support to clients who wish to perform much of the work themselves. Our elite package is for clients who have some time and skills but want us to work with them to implement. But for clients who want us to do all the heavy lifting, our implementation packages are customized to your needs and circumstances. So no matter your starting point or budget, we can help you implement the systems your business needs to get to that next level, and in super fast time. By the way, you may be thinking now, we don't need this, we already have a system. But what is that system really costing you? Think about its weaknesses. Think about the additional side systems and spreadsheets you need to have in place to make your processes work. Think about the opportunities you are missing. Is it really working for you? You may also be thinking, how do I know which software will work best for me? The answer is, we can help you select the right tools based on your needs and budget. While our track record has led us to become regional partners for leading industry software providers, we are agnostic and dedicated to providing clients with independent professional advice and guidance. That is why our clients and partners continue to trust us. Perhaps you are concerned about the time and effort required to onboard a new system. We understand your concern, hence why we developed our step-by-step implementation approach to make it as easy as possible. This includes training materials and quick reference guides to help you get established. As you have seen, we can tailor our packages to help you get up and running in the way that best suits you. Our support team is also on hand to support you every step of the way. But a word of warning, the last thing we want to do is invest our time and energy into clients that are unwilling or unable to take action. So, if you really want to harness the power of the latest integrated cloud MRP and inventory systems and are ready to take action, all you need to do is click the button to schedule an initial call. Now, this call will not be a hard sales call. We don't do hard sales. On the call, we will seek to run through some basic information and use cases with you so we can configure the product options to your needs. And we will help you get there quickly and support you every step of the way. But please note that this message will be seen by hundreds, if not thousands of people. So way more companies will apply than we have slots for in our calendars. Meaning, we'll be prioritizing clients who qualify on a first come, first served basis. So don't waste any time. Click the button below and fill in your details to secure the next available session. Do it now. Lastly, I'd like to say, I truly believe this is an amazing opportunity to make a transformational impact on your manufacturing and inventory management processes, your people, and your business in general. And the way I see it is that you have two options here. First, you could forget about everything I've told you today. You can go back to doing what you've always been doing, and you'll get what you've always got. And let's face it, if you are happy with your current systems and processes, you wouldn't be listening to this message right now. But you are listening to this message, and what this tells me is that you are ready for change. If that's true, then doing nothing makes zero sense. You've got to take action. Your second option is simple. You can bite the bullet and just accept that it makes sense to invest 45 minutes of your time to find out how we can help you. And we can map out a path together to help you stop your organization from needlessly wasting time, money, effort, and energy. So, if you're ready to get started and embrace the future, click the link below this video now. And I'll speak to you soon. Thank you for watching.